Welcome to the installation video for the Vector Technics propulsion system. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step installation of the 10025 Pro motor and place the motor mount and align the PCD. Use only the recommended M5 by 16mm mounting screws. Insert all screws loosely before tightening. Ensure the mount is seated properly and in a crisscross pattern. Fasten the screws to the final torque of 4.2 Nm. Ensure all mounting hardware is correctly installed before proceeding. Using a leveling gauge, verify that the motor is perfectly horizontal. Install the rotation locking screw to prevent movement and maintain motor alignment during operation. Place the prop centralizer on the motor before placing the propeller. Place the 3211 propeller onto the motor mount. Place the propeller mounting plate on the propeller and align the holes properly. Use only the recommended M3 by 20mm propeller mounting screws. Insert all screws loosely before tightening. Gradually tighten in a crisscross pattern to maintain even pressure across the mounting interface. No gaps should be visible between the mating surfaces. Tighten all screws evenly to a final torque of 2.2 Nm. Perform a final inspection. The propeller should be secure, correctly aligned, and free from movement or wobble. With that, your motor and propeller assembly is complete, safe, secure, and precise. That's Vector Technics.